Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to do the Suzette stitch. The Suzette stitch is a really easy and beautiful stitch. It has an elegant texture. It is really similar to the lemon peel stitch. I actually use this stitch to make my wedding dress. It works up really quick and easy, so let's get to it. For today's video, you'll need weight 4 acrylic yarn, a 6mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, a tape measure, and a pair of scissors. So first you'll want to attach your yarn to your hook, whether that is with a slip knot or a double knot, and we'll begin with a chain of 22. Once you have 22 chains, you will find the second chain from your hook. So this is not a chain. This is your first one, and here is your second one. So in the second chain from your hook, you will place a single crochet. Now, place a double crochet in the same chain. You will have 2 stitches and 1 chain. So now you will skip the next chain, and into the next chain you will place a single crochet and then a double crochet. So skip the next chain, single crochet in the next, and double crochet in the same stitch. You will continue this sequence to the end of your chain. Now at the end of your row, you will notice you only have 2 chains. So you will skip the chain next to the stitch you just did, and in the last chain you will only place a single crochet. So your row should end with a single crochet. Okay, to start your next row, you're going to chain 1, turn your work, single crochet in the first stitch, make sure you pick up both loops. Now in the same stitch, you're going to place a double crochet. Now skip the next stitch, and into the next one you'll place a single crochet and a double crochet. Again, skip one, and into the next do a single crochet and a double crochet. You'll continue this all the way down. In the last stitch, you will only place a single crochet. At the end of each row, you should have 21 stitches. You'll want to do this for a total of 17 rows. Once I have 17 rows, I'll meet you guys back here. Once you have finished your square, you'll want to take your tape measure and measure it. Make sure it is 6.5 by 6.5. Once you have completed your square, you will chain 1, take your scissors and clip your yarn. Then you'll take your hook and pull through. This will create a knot. Now you'll take your tapestry needle and you will weave in your ends. When you go to weave in your ends, make sure you do not insert into the knot but near it. And you'll want to weave your hook in and out of your stitches in a way that they hide between them. That way the yarn doesn't show on the front or the back side. Once you feel you have it weaved in enough, you'll just take your scissors and cut near your project. Now you'll weave in your other end as well. Now you'll stretch out your project and make sure that your ends pull into your piece. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you completed your square, please tag me in any of these social medias. I would love to see how they turned out. This is our 6th stitch out of 80 stitches in 40 weeks. If you guys would like to join this challenge, please subscribe or follow me on any of my social medias and I'll keep you guys up to date. I'll see you guys in the next video.